What's happening, fellas? I don't know if you've seen one of these up close yet, but these are the Gasgas factory race team replica bikes, the Troy Lee design factory replica. They are absolutely bristling with trickery top to bottom. It comes with all the goodies: the top of the line suspension, the billet triple clamps, the special grips, bars, wheels. It has the anodized billet wheels and billet rims and heavy duty spokes. At the top of the line Brembo disc brakes, has a composite skid plate, special pegs, gold rim. These are the Method race wheels. Just a beautiful, beautiful machine. Absolutely on the KTM group of all the bikes they manufacture, the Husky, the KTM, and this one. This is my favorite color, red. It kind of reminds me of the '89 Honda Blood Red, and they're absolutely freaking beautiful. It comes right out of the box with the Akrapovic exhaust. Might as well fire it up so you can hear it. Titanium exhaust. There's only one of these. If you're interested in buying it, give us a call. Look at this thing. Just beautiful. Literally comes with the best of everything right out of the box. The powder coated red chrome ollie frame, top of the line WP suspension, beautiful swing arm, blacked out sprocket, gold chain, DID dirt stars front and rear, Hinson clutch cover, expansion chamber with titanium muffler. One of the lightest, most powerful 450s on the market you can buy today. Even has the hot start device, whole shot device, like everything you'd want on a bike if you were gonna if you're an up and coming racer, or if you're a vet rider, or just somebody who wanted the best of everything. It's definitely an absolute conversation piece. This 51, the Bam Bam graphics on here, these are actually removable. These are stickers. They come right off. They can be peeled right off, so that you're left with the number plate backing, so you don't have to spend any money. You just put your numbers on there. You don't have to change the graphics, just put your number on there. But just well done. Absolutely the high watermark for factory editions. As far as the colors and fit and finish go, this thing's second to none. In the background, we've got our 38-foot hauler set up to haul 12 bikes forwards and 20 plus sideways. We got the Gasgas wrap on here with the American flag. Our own little spin on it. It's got the mag wheels. Inside's all set up with everything you need to haul motorcycles. This is one of several trailers we have for hauling bikes. And got me on the front of it here with my Eagle. Gasgas on the gas. These are Steiger graphics. Christie, or a Gasgas authorized dealer. And that's the Gasgas factory racing replica. Come on inside. I'll show you the MX versions inside. We have in stock today 2 MC450s. These are the brand new 2023 models, and we've got 4 450s. This is the end of our allocation for those 2 models. So 4 and 2, and this 302 stroke is sold. We sold all of the 302 strokes. We are taking orders on the 125 and 252 strokes. Give us a call, 860-454-7024. But we are not taking orders on these 4 strokes because we're going to be sold out. We have a shipment of 2 strokes coming in. Get them while they're hot. And these are hot. One of the most popular bikes on the market today. And the supply is not meeting the demand, so these are gonna go quick. Give us a call, 860-454-7024. Thanks for watching, and as always, God bless America.